Ni3K lantern is part of the Nearly Invincible line of products from LitezAll. It's rechargeable, durable, and very bright. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box is the Ni3K lantern and a micro USB charging cable. Because the lantern is rechargeable, it should be fully charged before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, including wall chargers, computers, or power banks. Pull back the rubber port cover on the back of the lantern and insert the micro USB plug. A blue 4-step charging indicator blinks while charging, and charging is complete when all 4 lights turn solid blue. The lantern is powered by a non-replaceable 2000 mAh lithium battery, and a full charge takes up to 6.5 hours. The LitezAll Ni3K also functions as a power bank to charge your smartphone. To do so, plug your own charging cable into the USB port on the lantern and the other end into your phone. But please remember that charging your phone reduces the overall runtime of the lantern. The Ni3K weighs just over half a pound and measures 7 inches tall by 4.25 inches in diameter. Easy one-button operation gives you access to the 3 available brightness modes. High is 3000 lumens with a 1 hour 50-minute runtime and 147-foot light throw. Medium is 1600 lumens with a 3-hour runtime, and low is 940 lumens with a 3-hour and 50-minute runtime. The Nearly Invincible 3000 lumen lantern features an ingenious split handle that may be carried or hung from a hook like a traditional lantern, or slid through the loops of tents or backpacks. The lantern has a very sturdy feel with a rubber-coated top and bottom, plus high-impact resin construction. The Ni3K is drop-tested to 3 meters or 9.84 feet and carries an IPX4 water-resistant rating. The LitezAll Nearly Invincible 3000 lumen lantern is bright, rugged, and rechargeable, and is a favorite among campers, hikers, and outdoor sports enthusiasts.